So this is an assa 600 with gins. It was one of the ones that had the fake sidebar in it, or an active sidebar in it. That's the bidding on it, which is completely ridiculous. This lock absolutely doesn't represent gin spools. I took the here, let me show you, just so you know. I took the sidebar out and the springs, so there's nothing assisting, because the sidebar does assist. I would do it on camera, but I don't really care if you believe me or not. But you can see there's nothing there. Okay, so multi-pick Moki. Let's not overset something. 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1. Yeah, that's as far as that goes. But how crazy is that? An assa 600 with gins.